Okay, I'm going to talk you through this real quick, and some of the parts I'm just going to actually do it. But we are making an advent calendar. I know this is a little late, but it's been kind of busy. But I went ahead and made one, and it came out really nice, so I wanted to show it to you guys. We're going to need the following items: 5 toilet tissue rolls, some E6000 glue, a small one package of the small baking cups, 100 count, but we're only going to use 25 of these, and then the little toy that you can buy at the Dollar Tree that has coins and currency in it, and then a decorative gift bag, preferably one that is a plain color but has some shine and gloss to it that's going to look good as a background to the cups that we're going to be using. Oh, and I forgot to mention some treat bags. We're also going to use some treat bags. These are optional, but I'll show you at the end why I have these. have the prizes, have them redeem the prizes. Now the tricky part is going to be gluing this down while keeping this stuff inside the cup. So let's see how that's going to work out. So here we go. So basically, like I said, you just take E6000. Take your money or whatever it is you want to put in there, stick it in the cup, and then just put the cup in there. Just hold it like that and stick it in with one end there and the other end there. Loosely push it down. And then that's it. So I kind of just rushed through this last part because I just wanted to hurry up and finish. But it probably is going to be easier to take the cups out, glue them down, and then put the cups back on with the prizes inside, like the coins. So for example, let's see, this is probably an empty one. So you just take that out, stick the coin inside, and then just take the cup and put it back in there like that. And then you fill up all your cups. And we would start here at the bottom. Let's see if I can slide these two together. It's kind of, see how quickly it glues down? For some reason, I didn't know E6000 could dry so quickly. But, so you start here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you know, you just go in a row until you get to the top. And as they pull out, reveal whatever's in the cupcake cup. You know, they pull it out. Ooh, $100. And so they take the cup and you just stick it back that way. And that's how you keep track of everything and you know where you left off. And then you come here, you take this cup out and you turn it back that way until you have emptied out all of the cups on Christmas Day. That would be the last one. And then you just have a white Christmas tree left on the bag. And if it's still in good condition, you can use it again next year, or you got 100 cups. You can save the bag and do it for 3 more years because 25 times 4 is 100. So there you go. This is my little idea that I just kind of popped into my head one day, and I said that would be a neat idea for an advent an advent calendar. And again, the purpose of putting it on this bag is so that you can fill the bag with toys once everything dries. And the toys you are going to wrap inside of these little treat bags, toys or candy or whatever it is you choose to put in there. But that's what the treat bags are for. You could either choose to just put them in the bag on their own without wrapping them, or you can put them in the bag and put them in treat bags first, so that way they can take their money, and if you use real money, they can choose to keep it and save it like a teenager would probably want to do, or if it's a little kid, you can take it and redeem it, and you can give each of the prizes inside a dollar value. So if they get $5, you can have prizes in here valued at $1, $5, $10, or you can have all of the prizes valued at $1, and if they got a $5 bill, then they could get 5 prizes. So you can work that any way you want, but I thought this was a very versatile idea, and the beauty of it is it's portable. So wherever you go, you've got the advent calendar, you've got everything mobile, and you've got all the toys inside the bag. So this again was my idea. Doesn't take much to put it together, and it's not expensive. And if you do have a small child, I forgot to mention, you can take all the money that they collected, you can put it back in your cash register, and then they can use it to learn how to add and subtract and how to count money. So it's a win-win no matter how you slice it with this advent calendar. It's very versatile, and it ends with a toy that comes with this little plastic money clip and the little cash register. But again, if you do it for teens and you know they like money, you can just put different amounts of money, and you can have some prizes or gifts in here that a teenager would actually like. So they could be tempted to give them a choice to either spend the money on what's inside the bag, or they could choose to keep the money, because you know most teenagers like gift cards and money these days. And that's also something you can put in there, are gift card options, so that way you can tempt them to spend their money, keep it, buy a gift card, or buy a gift. But I thought this was a fun idea, again, because you can use it so many different ways. Okay, so here is the final product, and I've taken it and I've put all the toys inside of it, so you can see they're all inside the bag. Of course, that's not 25 toys, but just to give you a visual. And then you pick up the bag, and there you go. You've got your mobile advent calendar. Now let me show you the other one that I made. There's the first one that I made. And this is when I was figuring out how to make it. This is when I was taking it out of my head and actually bringing it to life. So I wanted to make another one to show you guys how to do it, because this one I didn't do it the same. I just kind of, like on this one, I glued each of these on individually. But this one, I glued them all in rows, and it made it a lot quicker. So, and then this one I just threw in a few items, just so if you didn't want to wrap anything and you wanted to let the recipient look in there and just pick what they wanted, versus keeping it a little suspenseful still and wrapping them in paper, then there you go. And this would be something great that you could take to your job, and if you wanted to do this with your employees, or if you have a team or something, and you can have each of them pick a day and do the same thing with different value prizes. But Again, there's a lot of ways you can use this, and if you notice, there are no numbers because you don't always need numbers on an advent calendar. We know there's 25 days if you're starting from December 1st. I just thought this was a cute idea, and I wanted to share it with you because somebody out there might want to do this because it is so quick and easy to do and very inexpensive. There's $1 for the bag, $1 for 100 of these cups, so this would be 25 cents. Toilet tissue rolls, they should be free. You should have those at home. So we're talking $1.25 to make that. You can't beat it. And if you are a crafter or any type of DIYer, you have glue at home already. The only thing you need is to go to the Dollar Tree and get some toys. And if you are a Dollar Tree shopper already, you probably have a bunch of stuff you can put in these bags with no problem. So there you go. Have a great day. And I hope you enjoyed this little snippet of an idea to do at the last minute. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye. I am Mickey B, so come on along with me. I have so much for you to see as I walk through the Dollar Tree. I